Dito ay mga top barangay ang grampi ko, kaya naisip kong asarin ang kalaban. At ito na nga ang mga sumunod na nangyari.
Ever thought about getting some training? You have slain an enemy. I'm still warming up. We can do it. You have slain an enemy. That was a spur of the moment. Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Request backup. Time to shine. You have slain an enemy. Ally is slain.
Nagustuhan niyo ba ang bidyong ginagawa ko? Maari po mag-iwan ng message kung taga saan kayo para alam ko kung hanggang saan nakakarating ang mga bidyong ginagawa ko.
At paki-like and share na rin po para lagi kang updated.
At kung hindi ka pa nakapollow, baka naman. Shout na pala sa mga taga Dunsong Sorsogon, lalong-lalo na po sa Binsitahan at sa Family Almario. Shoutout po sa inyo. Shoutout po sa Napay Family, Tradores Family, Hindustano Family, and Balala Family. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat.
It's true that you moved on fast, and the last we spoke you said it's true, but lies felt right instead. It's true.